In this video, we're going to take you through the title tag rewriter of SEO Ultimate. What the title tag rewriter does is allows you to have greater control over the titles of post pages and so on that are on your WordPress website. A title tag for most visitors of your website is not something that will be immediately noticeable. It's more for search engine results really. So what we'll do is we'll just quickly take a look at the source on this particular website and show you where it is. If you look in the head of your document, which is always at the top, you can see you've got this title tag right here. And the title tag of my homepage is WP Demo Site. The only place it will appear in a browser is up the top. So you can see here in Chrome, for instance, you've got all of the tabs that I've got open at the moment, and that's where the title tag will appear. Obviously the display is somewhat a little bit different for Safari, Internet Explorer, and Firefox and so on. But that's really the only place that you'll ever see the title tag unless you actually go and dig into the source of the page you're looking on. So we'll jump back into the title tag rewriter now. And here you can see that it generates the title tags of each page dynamically using these tags. So you've got blog for the blog name, post for the post title, page for the page title, category and tag for the category and tag titles, and so on. Then you can see it's using the day, month, and year archives and generating the year, month, and day, and so on. So you can change these, you can move the formats around, you can add and remove bits and pieces as you see fit. And of course, if at any time you're not sure what your options are, you can just hit this Help tab up the top, jump into the Default Formats tab, and you can see a big list of all of these tags that are available for you to use. It's fairly likely that you'll only ever use a few of them though, and as these defaults are, they're fine for most websites. So if you're not really sure what you're doing in here, or maybe you're not super confident, then either sleep soundly knowing that you don't really need to make any changes to this, or go ahead and make changes, because if you do, and we'll just change the page title format, let's put another few separators in there, you can always come back and hit reset. It'll show you what the defaults are, and you can just hit OK, and then go back down and hit save changes, and then those changes will be updated. What we're going to show you now are the settings for the title tag rewriter. They're really straightforward. The first one is just about capitalizing category and tag names in titles. So for category pages, or where you've chosen to have categories and tags in the actual title of a page or a post, if that particular category name or tag is not capitalized, this will automatically capitalize that first letter of the names. The next option is choosing the rewrite method. The default is output buffering. For most people, it's the best option. It's the default. It'll work for pretty much every single website. But if you would prefer, you can use filtering. It's faster, but it will require some configuration. We're not going to cover that in this video, but you can definitely read the documentation of SEO Ultimate to get a handle on what you need to do there. Finally, we're going to take a look in the Posts tab. Here you can see that you've got a list of all the posts that are currently in your WordPress website. And on the right-hand column, you've got the title tag field. And in here, what you can do is modify the title tags of particular posts as you see fit. Maybe you'd like to change the edge case many categories to a post with many categories. And then you can go down and hit save changes, and that'll change the title tag for that post. Of course, you can make changes for all of the posts that you see in here and then hit save changes. But that's where we're going to wrap this video up. It's really straightforward to use the title tag rewriter. It's a great way to change the title tags and better influence how your site will rank and appear in search results. If you have any questions about anything we've done here, please feel free to ask in the comments below.